Hey everyone, I just wanted to touch base with everyone today. It is February 17th, 2015, and I was just given some pretty devastating news about a friend who had been hurt in an attack, and along with his spouse. So, and this person is in our industry, it's former military, and now he works in the protection industry. So, as tight of a group as we are in military, in law enforcement, in executive protection, and things like that, corrections, don't you have to watch the company you keep, and you shouldn't let people that you do not know very well into your house. Plain and simple. Might sound a little bit paranoid, but I guess a little bit of paranoia never hurt anybody. Um, this guy was not of a victim's stature. Okay, he was not someone you would consider weak. But criminals don't look at us, for the most part, as solely a physical being. A lot of times they look at us physical, awareness, habits, and when they can find a weakness in those things, that's when they attack. Okay. Sometimes our weakness is being too trustworthy. Just because you met someone in the military doesn't mean they truly are a brother and or a sister and you can invite them into your home. Just because you met somebody at a church work fair or a church rehab thing doesn't mean you can let them in your yard and have them be your gardener as well. I was just watching a case the other day about that as well. It's sad to have to say this, especially in our community, because sometimes I think, well, maybe I'm preaching to the choir here, but obviously in this case, somebody got hurt. It's not just you, it's your family. Okay? So again, just because you know someone from church doesn't mean you invite them in the house. You have to know how people respond to certain things. When we're at work, hopefully we tend to put off our best face. A really nice front. When we're at church, we're trying to step forward and present ourselves the best that we can. When we're in the club, trying to meet men, trying to meet women, and you're trying to do the best you can. But when people get surprised, when they get angry, when they feel insulted, that's when you start to see a person's true character. The best con artists in the world can read us. They can tell what type of person we would respond positively to, and then they become that person. So remind yourself, remind your family that things aren't always as they seem. People are not always as they appear to be. And please take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Until next time, I'm Brian Allen with International Security Training.